Hey guys, good to see you. Good morning. Come on in. Let's close that door. Wow, that's really loud. We found that out. So, hey, we just got done with the swimming pool this morning. Hair's still wet, stuff like that. We were just grabbing a little bit of breakfast. But sounds like you guys want to take a look at our apartment or the little suite that we have here on the island of Kauai in Hawaii for our adventure. So, we can just start off heading to the kitchen because everyone loves the kitchen, right? So don't mind us. We already have some of our breakfast goodies out, obviously cookies. We went to Costco, which is a very good thing that saved money here on the island. Yes, we've hit some of the local restaurants, but we picked up some of our stuff. In our resort that we have here, they supplied us with, you know, all the utensils we need, bowls, coffee machines, things like that, toasters, all the amenities that we need, even a dishwasher if we're too lazy to do all that stuff. Full out fridge. We've already got some ice in there. We got water. But this is our fancy kitchen. Actually, I kind of wish we had this at home because we wish we had some counter space. But so hardwood floors all throughout the place. So fancy that way. Got a table that sits 5. They're missing a seat, but we can pull one from the bar anytime we want to. So it's pretty cool. So
from the desk.
From the desk, either way. So, lights everywhere. So what's good about this is we have a step down. If you want to step down to the living room, here, we're doing good. So we actually get multiple entrances. We have a patio out here on our deck that we get to go onto. So we'll step outside for a minute. So we get lounge chairs, we get tables for breakfast nooks. Out here, kind of a wrap-around unit here. So, and if we want to, we can turn our lights on at night. So we'll be doing that tonight. We'll have those on, so when we come back, we have our welcoming lights on here. Then we get our backside, obviously more. We actually get the lounge chairs and then another access point to our bedroom. So yeah, let's head on back in. Back on in through there. We'll get the door in a minute. So, obviously, nice little TV. They've got it set up with some different channels. I mean, you got Netflix on here. You can watch the Disney channels. We've got various different stuff on here. So, obviously, when you're watching YouTube on here, you can watch them as a guest. Obviously, follow our channel. Like and subscribe, please. There'll be links everywhere or something. So, This couch here does fold out to be a fancy bed, but we don't need that right now because it's actually just the two of us in this place. So we are now rolling into where we stay. We got a king size bed here. Lamps on both sides makes it nice. Hey, that now is a good channel. Would you imagine that? I've seen those people. I like it.
Hit the link. Like and subscribe, guys.
Like and subscribe. So it's great. Fancy. So on over here, we get to roll into this here is like a master bathroom. Obviously, probably where we can do those dances, but showers, bathrooms, closets. There's even a safe in here, but I didn't want to ruin my laundry basket, so I didn't want to show you that on the way or move it. Outside here, we actually have a washer and dryer on the small little porch. They didn't make it too fancy, but there's a washer and dryer in our facility. So when our clothes get dirty and we want to have them washed, even before we get home, so we want to do laundry when we get home. A little life hack.
Classic being here in Hawaii, you'll know. There's a cockroach. There's a cockroach. That one's a decent sized one, so. Gotta love being in Hawaii.
Oh yeah. Now we do have another bedroom. We do have another bedroom if you do have more than just 2 people in here. So, and if you actually have, we should have brought little RC cars and we could have been racing them down this ramp. There's actually a ramp going up, which would be kind of cool. But, not today. Because we didn't bring any, because of weight limits. So, here, there's it's like another suite. Obviously more closets for everyone who's in this area can shut off. Bathroom with a shower, toilet, all that stuff. Then we come in here and you get 2 single beds, and then in every room that you're sleeping in gets to have its own fan to circulate air, because there's actually no air conditioning in here, but it still feels good. We've opened up all the doors and just locked the screens to allow the airflow coming to and from. So, and this one here has the biggest screen for Bree to come in and watch all of your YouTube channels, so we can share the love.
I'd rather watch in the living room.
Okay.
And then this door opens up to outside too.
Our patio. Our front porch.
So.
Okay, guys. Well, thanks for seeing our amenities that we're staying in, and we will be showing you more of our trip because we're only on day 2, and we've got lots more things to do.